complete this circle, this cycle, this magic. Are you ready? Remember, nothing through fold back. No fold back. Turn it up. Breathing in this amazing set, this energy. You are the instruments, and I want your help to start this set with your tone. More volume. Breathing in and sounding this note. Find a space in your heart, on the floor, standing, whatever is aligned for you. These sounds are recorded from all over the land. Let them come into your soul. This weekend, what it means to you, breathe it in. Send your magic out to the world. What is it time for? Your spirit, your soul. Hold that in your heart. spectacle means to you. You're going to breathe in and send it out. Open your voice, open your sound, and let it be held into the arms of the universe. Last part. This is the uplift. This is your chance to send your wishes into the world, to let it be known, your spirit, your energy, who you are, what you're bringing through. You are a frequency. We are the instrument. We get to choose our vibration. Sound is more than just what we hear. It is the frequency of who we are. I want you to let this music and your energy open into you. I invite you to sound your wish into the world. Breathe it in. Where does it sit in your body? How does it move? Ooh. away. Nothing is in the way of you opening. Yes, sing it. Let it open. Let your heart open. Don't be afraid. This is your chance to let the world know you. Breathe it in. Bringing it from the earth. To the sky and back down again. Let that wind wash over you. Sit with that for a moment. Let that wind wash away and bring to you your truth. Breathe in. Let it out. Let it free. Breathe in. I want to hear your voice. One more big breath in with me. Let it slowly all the way. Land in a note in your body. And you're going to take this seed of sound, this seed of vision with you into the rest of the festival. The seed of energy, the seed of light, this frequency that is you. Hold it in your body and amplify it with your sound. One more time. Breathe in and down into that seed. You got this. Thank you very much, BaliSpirit Festival, for having me. For Prabhumi, his amazing set, in the rain, for the incredible Meg for believing in me and bringing me to this space. I've had the most incredible time. I love you all so much, and let's take this out with a bang. Take your little seed of sound and your frequency everywhere you go and know that you've got you no matter what. We love you. Thank you.